What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Sneaker Man V, and today I want to show you guys a package I got from Sneaker Oven. It's actually an early look at a pair of sneakers that haven't globally released yet, and they have an interesting payment method. Like, you can use, it's called Sezzle, and you don't have to pay all the money up front. And you make every other 2 weeks up to 6 weeks, you make a payment on them. So in case you want something that got some heat and you don't want to pay all the money right away, you know, maybe you should try Sneaker Oven out. Well, I wanted these, and they were supposed to release around the time of the Sean Witherspoon at the Nice Kicks out here in Austin. For 3 days, they told me they had the shoe, and they were gonna release this weekend, and they just didn't know how they were gonna release them. And when it come to the Friday, the next guy that I talked to told me, oh, they wouldn't release them. They was gonna wait till the general release, and I kind of thought that was BS, because ain't no way everybody else in the store saying they're releasing it and you're saying not. So they family and friends, whatever they did with them. But I told y'all, you know, I rock Ewing, but you know, I bring some hype too. Man, got the box. Look. They ready to put this in a tight package, man. Well, then you can't blame them too. Open the damn box from the bottom. As you can see, you know, yeah, I got them. Got them early. I don't know what this letter's about. Keep calm and wear sneakers. Oh, a little postcard if I want to send it to somebody. You know, Sneaker Oven, that's how it's spelled. Hi Joshua, thanks for ordering at Sneaker Oven. I gladly took care of your order and I found a check. Cheers from beautiful Massachusetts. No sneaker places don't send you all that. But yeah. And the discount they gave me took off $63 off of the shoes, off the resale price, because they are, you know, a consignment shop, so you know they got to make their money too. But I got them cheaper than what you're gonna pay for them. I guarantee you that. So this is what the front look like, and if you into sneakers, you already know what these are. The Jordan 3 Tinker Hatfield. These were the original design. Wow, I just noticed this. It comes on this side of the shoe. I think it always come on the other side. But yeah. That's a Tinker Hatfield signature on there. Got his name on there. Oh. Got the design of, you know, the blueprint of the shoe. Has that Nike emblem. Part of me just knew this was gonna be like a 3M. You know, right here. I guess not though. New shoe smell, man. New shoe smell. But yeah, these are the Jordan Tinker Hatfield. Sorry, I'm bad with names. Well, especially a little weird name like that. These are my first Jordans of the year. These are pretty cool. I like them. I would like the Justin Timberlake ones, but I don't like the way they looked. It seemed kind of plain with a little. I like the 3M check, but you only really get to enjoy that at night. I heard they're supposed to have other colorways come out. I hope they do like the black model. I like the way Nice Hicks did theirs with the shoe surgeon. Those were pretty dope. And I hope that the black ones come out like these with the white check. That'd be hot as shit. I'll get those. It's your boy Sneakerman V. Subscribe, like, share my channel, please. And you know, like I said, we bringing heat this year. Peace.